Goes our noodles. It's come out very well. So let us have it served. Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Myttre's kitchen. So today we are going to do a special and very tasty recipe which is liked from kids to elders. Today we are going to do chili garlic Maggi. The main ingredients to do our chili garlic Maggi is I have taken chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, green capsicum and yellow capsicum to make it colorful, followed with chopped garlic and chopped green chili. These are the main ingredients that is needed to do our chili garlic Maggi for the day, followed with noodles. So let us get into our recipe and see the step-by-step process. So friends, the first step to do our chili garlic Maggi is I have taken a bowl. I am adding 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons of oil. As the oil is getting heated, we are going to fry our chopped green chili, followed with chopped onions and chopped tomatoes. So let all this get cooked nicely. So to make it cook fast, I am just adding salt so that the onions gets cooked quickly. Let it get quickly, nicely getting tossed. As the onions and tomatoes are nicely getting tossed, I am going to add 1 small yellow capsicum, followed with 1 small green capsicum. You can add whichever capsicum you want to, just it enhances the flavor and it looks very colorful. So let it get tossed for some more time. The capsicums are nicely getting tossed. Today we are going to do with Maggi Masala, which is veg heart flavor. You can use whichever flavor you wanted. So today we are going to use this. I have taken 3 packets of Maggi atta, so I will be adding 3 glasses of water. Add 3 glasses of water. I am going to add Maggi masala into it. So let it get nicely boiled. So friends, I am adding the noodle cake into it. See how well is our noodles getting boiled? Yes, it's getting nicely cooked. So meanwhile, we will do our chili garlic. Other saucepan, I am going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. For this you need to add more oil to make that extra flavor. So I have added the required amount of oil. So as the oil is getting heated, we are going to add our chopped garlic into it. And we need to fry our garlic very nicely so it becomes crispy and crunchy. So let the oil get boiled. Yes, so as the oil is getting boiled, I am going to add our chopped garlic into it. Let us keep frying it. So friends, you can find how well our garlic is getting toasted. You should add more oil so that it gets to a nice brown color like this. So as it is getting tossed, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of chilli powder into it. Just mix it well and let us off the stove and let us keep this aside. Here goes our noodles. Yes, it's come out very nicely. So it's ready to be served hot. Here goes our chili garlic, which is the actual ingredient for this recipe. We are going to add on top of the Maggi and it gives that extra flavor and extra taste.